Good morning everyone, respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. I am Richa Jena on the behalf of Standard 10 welcoming you all to today's morning assembly. It's the time to start our morning assembly with DAV gun.
School, attention! DAV gun begins. Join your hand, close your eyes.
First of all, the plays will be presented by Gayatri.
School, standard team.
Take place position. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are.
All Indians are
My brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country
And I am proud of its.
and I am proud of its
Rich and varied heritage.
rich and varied heritage.
I shall always. Strive to be. Worthy of its.
Worthy of its.
I shall give my parents.
I shall give my parents,
Teachers.
teachers
And all elders.
and all elders
Respect.
respect
And treat everyone.
and treat everyone
With courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country.
To my country
And my people.
and my people
And place my devotion.
and place my devotion
In their well-being.
in their well-being
And prosperity alone.
and prosperity alone
Lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Now, the 10 principles of Arya Samaj will be delivered by Aditi.
आर्य समाज के 10 नियम। नियम पहला, सब सत्य विद्या और जो पदार्थ विद्या से जाने जाते हैं उन सब का आदिमूल परमेश्वर है। नियम दूसरा, ईश्वर सच्चिदानंद स्वरूप निराकार
निराकार,
सर्वशक्तिमान
सर्वशक्तिमान,
न्यायकारी
न्यायकारी,
दयालु
दयालु,
अजन्मा
अजन्मा,
आनंद
आनंद,
निर्विकार
निर्विकार,
अनादि
अनादि,
अनुपम
अनुपम,
सर्वदा
सर्वाधार,
सर्वेश्वर
सर्वेश्वर,
सर्वव्यापक
सर्वव्यापक,
सर्वंतर्यामी
सर्वांतर्यामी,
अजर
अजय,
अमर
अमर,
अभय
अभय,
नित्य
नित्य,
पवित्र
पवित्र,
और जो सृष्टि करता है
और जो सृष्टि करता है
उसी की उपासना करने योग्य है।
उसी की उपासना करने योग्य है। To present a beautiful thought, I would like to call Sujan.
Good morning, everybody. Today's thought is success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, but what you do consistently. I repeat, success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, but what you do consistently.
School, attention. Junior and close your eyes.
मालिक तेरे मंदिरों ऐसी हो हमारी मालिक तेरी
School, standard is.
Now, today's news headlines will be presented by
Good morning to all. I am Anasmita Jyoti of class 5, section A, going to present today's news headlines. First from national news. PM Modi to chair United Nations Security Council debate on maritime security. Odisha logs 1096 fresh COVID-19 cases, 64 fatalities. Now some international news. Taliban sieges 3 more provincial capitals in Afghanistan. Etihad Airways announces service from 5 Indian cities. Now some sports news. Rain takes away from India a shot at victory in series openers match ends in draw. Lionel Messi to leave Barcelona after 2 decades. Thank you. Have a nice
to present some amazing facts. Here comes
Good morning everyone. I am Abhipsa Vera studying in class 5. Today's fact file on Indian culture. Fact number 1. Chess was invented in India. Fact number 2. India is the largest democracy in the world, the 7th largest country in the world, and one of the most ancient civilization. Fact number 3. India has the largest number of post office in the world. Fact number 4. Jainism and Buddhism were founded in India in 600 BC and 500 BC respectively. Fact number 5. Islam is India and the world's second largest religion. Fact number 6. Yoga has its origins in India and has existed for over 5,000 years. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today's word will be delivered by
Good morning to all. My name is Anushka Nanda, Standard 5. Today word is astonished. Spelling is A-S-T-O-N-I-S-H-E-D. Astonished. Its meaning is greatly surprised or impressed. I repeat the word astonished. Its spelling is A-S-T-O-N-I-S-H-E-D. Astonished. Its meaning is greatly surprised or impressed. Thank you.
School, attention. National anthem begins.